Group C, Group 3, C. All right, guys, arm your quad as we go hot on the tone in less than 5. Oh, man. Oh. All right, let's see who's going to be first across the line. Sonny FPV with a 41.8 out the gate. Here comes our second place. Wreck Ship in second place. All right, start finish gate. We got one in the net. You might need a ladder to get to it. Let's see. We're coming up on about 4 seconds left. I think this is going to be everybody's last lap. It is. All right, Sonny FPV, you're done. Who's in chair 5? Bond, you're done. Chair 5. 4, I got you.